Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. How are you? Did you have a great weekend? Because today on Monday, June the 8th, 2020, we have in the daily newspaper only a one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. There is also in this newspaper in the additional, I believe, 6 extra Sudokus. But last Saturday, only one Sudoku, a regular Sudoku, no additional. So the publisher have not printed, and I think they will drop or reduce the additionals with the Sudokus. Anyway, we have a regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Alright. I see here, right away, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. Lonely one here, so no one in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the one, should be there. And then a 1 in this row, a 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no one there. 1 should be here. How about the number 9? 9 in this row and 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. We have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those numbers are the 9 and a 7. So in this row, so no 9 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes here. Then let me see, a 7 in this column, a 7 in the second column, so in the third column. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then. How about no. Let me see. 7. Okay. Yes. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here an 8. So No 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there, or here. So in the first column, we have an 8 in one of those 3 boxes. In the second column, we have 8 over there. So in the third column, we have only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then how about 5, 3. These 3 numbers in this row, the missing numbers here are the 3, the 5, and the 9. And look, we have a 9 here. So no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The 3 and the 5 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Then three in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 7, how about Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is the 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, we have a 1 over there. So in a row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here a 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So in the first column, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. Remember that? Because we go to the other big square, 2 missing numbers. 2 missing numbers. The 2 missing numbers are the 4 and the 6, and look, we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes, so this cannot be a 6, this should be the 6, and this should be the 4. Alright, 4 in this column, 4 in the first column, so in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. In this column, we have 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 2, the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7, yes. And the 7, 2, 4, 7. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. only place for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 7 are left. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. Here also 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 7 in this row, last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there. Here also a 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. 5 and 8 in this big square are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 5 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9. 1 box is missing in the middle row, and that number is a 6. Yes. Then and then 2 numbers missing in the second row, column. This is a column. 2 missing numbers, the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Yes. Yes. Alright. How about 6 to 8? We have a 1 in this row, a 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. These 2 numbers are the number 6 and the 2, I believe. Yes, 6 and the 2. I cannot, yes, I can fill this because we have a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this last column for the numbers 9 and 6. And I cannot fill this yet. 9 and a 6. Remember that? 9 and a 6. These two numbers are the numbers 8 and the 3. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8 are missing. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One number left in this big square. No, yep. In this big square. Number 2 is missing. And 1 number left in this middle column for the number 3. We have a 2 in this row. 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row. The only place for the 2 should be here. 1 number left in this row, the first row for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this second row for the number 6. And the final number of this big square for the number 8. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. For this Sudoku Medium, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download a PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Don't forget, subscribe if you like or if you want. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this episode. And yeah, keep on puzzling. I will see you later with the other extra Sudokus in additional. So thank you and bye bye for now.